Okay, I'm going to look at some things in geometry, and the first thing I want to look at is something that goes with homework 5. Homework 5 deals with perimeter, and so as I was looking back at the videos, I realized that there was a problem that I had made a mistake on, and it's because I counted a whole circle instead of half a circle, and the problem was a rectangle with a half circle on the end. And I counted this as the full circle instead of half circle. So I don't remember what the measurement is, not that it's important, 5 and 10. So this would be a diameter of 5 here. So what we have is we have a 10 and a 5. This is also 10, but we need to figure out the circumference of this half circle. So remember, the circumference of a circle is equal to pi times diameter, okay? So pi times diameter, but we want half of this. So the half of the circle is equal to 1/2 pi times diameter, okay? So pi, we are dealing with 1/2 times 3.14 times the diameter, which is 5. Okay, so let's see what that actually is. 3.14 times 5, let's see, equals. Okay, this will be 1/2 times 15.7, and divide that by 2, and let's see. So this is going to be 7.85, and that will be what that circle is, that half circle. And now we can add these up together. 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 7.85. And this is going to be 32.85 inches. And that will give that to you. So don't forget, if it's only part of a circle, it's not the full circle, it's whatever it is. If I had had a quarter circle, say it was a quarter circle here, then it would have been 1/4 times 3.14 times 0.5, and this would have had to add another, this would be 10 plus 2.5, because my diameter is 2.5. And so that would have added more on here, and this would have been a 2.5 here. And so we can figure it out from what we have. Remember, if this and this are the same, then if I've used only half of it, that means this has to be half of the 5. And this one is only half of the circle, so it's 2.5 for that radius that extended here to make it into another part of the rectangular shape. So you can use what you know to figure out what you don't know. And this is true when you're looking at some of the other shapes that we've dealt with. You will see shapes that will do something like this. And I'm not drawing very straight, so let's see, try this line again. Okay, there, that's better. Okay. If this side is given, say this is 10 feet, this side over here, which looks to be the same, assume it is the same. So this one is also 10 feet. Let's say this one is 8 feet. That means this plus this plus this also has to equal 8 feet. So if I say this one is 4 feet and this one is 3 feet, then this one's going to have to be 1 foot, okay? Now that one I had to use what they gave me to figure the last one, all right? Now, I think I'm going to change this to 3, 3, and 2, okay? That looks better. Now, if this one and this one, they're the same, so let's label those 4 feet. Okay? If they gave you one of these, this would be the same. So you can use what you have to figure what you don't know. And that way, once you get every single one of the sides labeled, now you can do your perimeter. And so your perimeter would equal 10 plus 8 plus 10, and that gives that around there 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. So plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3. So every single thing all the way around will give it to you. So we've got 28 here, and 6, 9, 13, 16. That's going to give me 28, 38, 44. 44 feet would be my perimeter around that thing. And I do make mistakes, guys. In case you didn't pick that up already, I do make calculation mistakes every once in a while. Don't ever be afraid to tell me I made a mistake. It's okay with me. And so there we have our perimeter. So assume that things that appear to be the same are truly the same, okay? So now we're going to go on to something in another lesson.